doesn't matter what I say or anyone else say. If you like the bag, buy the bag. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marshalee and I run a blog called lifestylebymmarshalee.com. This channel is all things fashion, luxury bag reviews, self-care, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested, stay tuned for more. Today's video is another luxury bag review, and it's no other than the Coach Studio Shoulder Bag with Quilting. This video has 4 chapters, so I can share with you all the details and information that you will need for this bag. The first chapter will be the design. The second chapter I'll share with you is what fits in the bag. Third, what I think about the bag. And last but not least, is the bag worth it? This is the Coach Studio Shoulder Bag with Quilting. It has the C for Coach in brass. The color of the bag is chalk. It has the tag or the charm that says Coach at the side of the bag. It has straps that can be worn crossbody or on the shoulder, and I will show you clips of me wearing the bag. As you can see, this bag is structured. It's more of a rectangular squared bag. It's 100% leather, and the leather that it's made from is called Napa leather. The leather is very soft, but also very sturdy because I have been wearing this bag non-stop, and so far no scratches, no dents or anything harsh to the leather, which is a plus. The strap of this bag is 19 inches long, and what caught my eye, well, one of the things that caught my eye about this bag is the strap is removable. So you can remove this strap if you do not like the strap, and you can add something that you like. And it has about 7 or 8 adjustable holes where you can adjust the buckle here and make it shorter or longer. So this bag is perfect for anyone that's short or tall. It's also very easy to get in and out of this bag. It has a push lock closure. So you just push that down and then you pick it up. And inside of the bag is this beautiful tan leather color. And I love how the C, the Coach C in brass, comes on the inside as well. And it has 4 compartments, which I'll definitely show you guys a close-up into the bag. But it has a front compartment, a middle compartment, which is the biggest. It has this small card slot here, or big enough to actually fit a cell phone. And then it has one in the back here as well. This is a quick break. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up the video. So I'll give you like a 360 view of the bag and then go into what fits in the bag. So this is the front of the bag, the side of the bag, and this is the back of the bag. The other side, back to the front, and then this is the bottom of the bag. I think this is a very beautiful silhouette of the bag. It's stunning. I prefer bags that have structure and a really nice firm shape. And this studio bag definitely has those features, but it has a very soft leather, and I'm really loving the leather on the studio bag. Another point is the interior of the bag is really pretty. I love that tan golden color. That is like one of my favorite colors to wear all year round, and Coach definitely did that color justice, because sometimes the colors, like the tan colors, are usually off. But inside the bag, this bag is super pretty, and I really wish that they can come out with a bag that has the same tan golden interior, but on the outside of the bag, I would definitely get that. For a luxury bag that's 100% leather, and it has an amazing silhouette, and the design is absolutely perfect. I mean, there's no threading coming out of anything, because I've been hearing things with Chanel bags and things like that happening. This Coach bag was made, detailed, and just you can tell the time was put into this bag. It is absolutely great quality, and I'm really loving this bag. the design of the bag, everything about this bag is beautiful. Honestly, I'm really impressed with Coach. They've been coming out with so many amazing designs, and more importantly, I feel like their designs are very modern compared to like their older bags, and I'm really into like the modern, sleek, structured bag, and this bag is it. Is the Coach Studio shoulder bag with quilting worth it? Yes, absolutely yes. The shape of the bag, the design of the bag, everything about the bag is beautiful. Let me know what you think about the Coach Studio shoulder bag, and are you planning on getting this bag? I will link all the details in the description box so you can check out this bag. Until next time, stay safe. Bye, beautiful.